In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook Business Portfolio account name. If you need to update your business name inside Meta Business Suite, the process is pretty straightforward. And I will walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your computer without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you are signed into the correct Facebook or Meta account that has permission to manage the business portfolio. If you don't have the right access level, you may not see the setting we're about to use. Start by going to Meta Business Suite on your computer. This is the main dashboard where you manage your business assets, settings, and account details. Once the page loads, look toward the top left area of the screen. You should see a drop-down menu that lets you switch between different business portfolios. Click that drop-down and choose the business portfolio whose name you want to update. This step is important, especially if you manage more than one business, because you want to make sure you are editing the correct account. After selecting the right business portfolio, move to the menu on the left-hand side and click Settings. This will open the area where your business details and administrative options are stored. Inside Settings, look for either Business Info or Business Portfolio Info. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the version of Meta Business Suite you are seeing, but both options lead you to the same general place. Once you are in that section, find your current business name. Next to it, you should see an Edit option. Click Edit to open the name field. Then type in your new business name carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling, capitalization, and overall formatting before saving, especially if you want the name to match your branding across other platforms. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your updated business name should then be applied to the portfolio. In some cases, changes may appear immediately, while in other cases it may take a little time for the update to reflect across all areas of the platform. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.